primarily made from puffed rice, vegetables, onion, tomatoes, and tangy chutneys. When prepared with minimal oil and fewer fried ingredients, it aids in weight management, improves digestion, provides quick energy and
The first step, we put the fruits inside and put some protein milk. Then we put the next step and then and then on the other hand, we have nice fruits.
साथ साथ चलते थे। आज राज दरबार में विशेष घोषणा होने वाली है।
राज दरबार सुन ले। जैसलमेर में महाराजा हमारे हवा पधारेंगे। जयपुर की इज्जत बनी रहनी चाहिए।
Mental health refers to our emotional, psychological and social well-being. It affects how we behave, act and manage stress and responsibility. Without good mental health, even success is better.
There is a difference between mental health and mental illness. Everyone has mental health, but mental illness is a diagnosed medical condition like depression, anxiety or OCD.
Many people are careless about their water tanks, due to which they can overflow it sometimes and cause water to waste. People also forget to switch off their motors, due to which electricity also gets wasted. So we carefully analyzed these problems and we finally found a solution, AquaGuard Pro. It contains an automatic system which can